Hi, welcome to the Percy Building, the home of the School of English, Literature, Language and Linguistics.
We're going to take some time to show you around the facilities in the building today. As you can see, this building has a lot of history. It's a really quirky little building. Another great thing about the Percy Building is that it's in the centre of campus on our beautiful quad.
Here we have the cafe in the Percy Building foyer. It's run by students, for students, and it's open during the week in term time.
This is one of the many study spaces that we have here in the Percy Building. Most of our study spaces have USB ports and there's Wi-Fi available throughout the building.
Here on the third floor we have our school reception. The office staff here are always available to help and give advice on weekdays during term time. They are also contactable by email.
This is one of the two lecture theatres here in the Percy Building. These lecture halls are really spacious and comfortable for those 2-hour lecture slots. We've got 3 different seminar rooms in the Percy Building. This is one of them. The difference between a seminar and a lecture is this is a lot smaller. It's a lot more on a one-to-one basis.
All the school academic and administration staff are based here in the Percy Building. Here on the second floor you can find the staff offices. You can find academic staff's consultation hours on the notice boards here or online. You can also email your lecturers to book a one-to-one meeting. Everyone is assigned a personal tutor who will be based on this floor, and they're your first point of contact for academic or pastoral enquiries.
Throughout the building you can find various different information points such as this one. This is where all upcoming events and activities are posted. You also have the courier box. There's a few dotted around the building, but this is where you can pick up your copy of the courier.
Here we have a dedicated space for postgraduates in the basement of the building. Here we have a common room where you can chill out and dedicated computer spaces where you can get your work done.
Thank you very much for watching and we'll hope to see you here very soon.